After encapsulation, we have another technique which is called abstraction. In class, all the functions, all data members, when we will access them through objects, then we will understand that one single object has abstracted all the information inside it. It has hidden all the information. This concept is called data abstraction. All the information of the class and data will be found in abstraction form in that object, which will look like a variable. Third concept is inheritance. Inheritance means to inherit. It means when we want to access all things of one class in another class and want to access 100%, and there must be functionalities of new class as well, and we have to add all the previous functionalities of the added class, this type of technique is called inheritance. Object-oriented programming fulfills inheritance technique also. In these two, classes are interlinked with the help of a specific keyword. Last is polymorphism. One type of data is used in different type of implementations. Like it is written in definition, objects can take on more than one form depending on the context. We can use the same thing in more than one variation. This technique is polymorphism. It has two methods. One is method overloading and the other is method overriding. The name and parameters of function will be same, but those same name functions will be more than one. It will check on that base we have to select which function. The name of function will be same, and on the basis of its parameters, we will see which function must be called. We will study about method overloading and method overriding later.